Hey everybody, it's Rebecca from the Racine Public Library. Today what we're doing is we're going to be unboxing a new set of books that are coming in that are part of our Summer Scares program. The Summer Scares program is going to be running June, July, and August. We're going to have books available for all age groups. So we're going to have adult, young adult, and middle grades, and we're going to be hosting book discussions and a whole bunch of other fun stuff. So let's see what we got in here today. One of the titles that we have in here today is The Marrow Thieves by Cherie Dimeline. This is one of the young adult titles. It's about what is going to happen when your dreams are being used against you. Another young adult title in here, The Undead Girl Gang. This is by Lily Anderson. We have Cipher by Kathy Koja. This is a book that's won the Bram Stoker Award and is an adult title. The Diviners by Libba Bray. And this is Ghosts and the 1920s. We're looking forward to hanging out with you and discussing some horror this summer, and we can't wait to see you soon. Bye!